If you take any industry, be it business, media, politics, all the successful people have mastered one particular skill, and that is nothing but communication skills. Correct. Even if you want to become successful and want to achieve whatever you want in your professional as well as your personal life, you have to learn communication skills. So let's get started. I'm pretty much aware that you know what is the definition of communication, and I'm not going to speak about that. Yeah, so if you type communication, you get ample of definition for that. You can read out of it. In this video, I'm going to speak to you about quick tips. How can you improve communication skills? So if you talk about communication skills as a whole, the number one point is what, and number two point is how. What is the content? Okay, so what are you going to speak? That is the content. How are you going to structure the content? That is what. And how means the body language and your tone. Now the how part is weighted more than the what part. So if you see the parameter or the study, the elements of communication, it is overall weighted as 7% only for the spoken words, and majorly for 55% it is been given to the how, that is the body language. Now, the way you speak to others, how can you improve your communication skills? First is you have to build confidence. Confidence means what? It's about acting in spite of fear. You have to take action. I am very much afraid to speak in front of the camera. I've gathered a lot of guts to come in front of the camera and speak to y'all. That doesn't mean that I'm very confident. I'm confident. It's a skill. I'm nervous. In spite of that, I'm taking this action. So act confident. The second thing is the way you stand, the way you walk, your posture, your walking style, that matters. Now, before you open your mouth, people read your body language. Get me very, very correct and clear that people read you before you actually open your mouth. Opening your mouth is later. The way you enter, the way you present yourself, the way you walk, the way you stand. So don't have negative body language, going like this, keeping your hands behind, scratching your head. Be confident, erect, and very confident, having your head nice, bold. Yeah. So this way, you're not going to go to beat somebody, but then have a very approachable body language. Okay. So that's important. Then next, the way you use your hands. So your hands will complement, or it will be additional point to your speaking, your dialogue. So your dialogue and your hand movement should sync with each other. So you're not going to overdo it, and overdoing will distract that person. So don't overdo it. Let it sync with the dialogue what you're speaking. Okay. The second thing is about eye contact. Now, will you be interested in this video if I talk to you like this? Through this lens, I'm talking to you. Okay, so if you're going to speak to somebody, you can look till the neck level, shoulder level, and you can just have a glimpse on the face. That is eye contact. Don't go and stare at that person and make that person feel embarrassed. Okay, so get my point little bit clearly, that eye contact creates interest. It creates interest. It creates confidence in you as a speaker. Even the listener will be interested on the conversation what you're trying to make. Last but not the least, it's about the smile. When I talk about body language, have that confident smile on your face. Smile gives you a confidence. So that is it's a supplement to make you, or you look confident. That is one supplement to have a smile. So smile will build trust on the other person. Pata kuch nahi, that's a different story. Still, there is some confidence which is gained in the other person mindset. So that person is confident on you. Now comes the tone part. Many people tell me my intention was not to be rude, but what to do, my tone is such. How can I help? So your tone should be polite, assertive. Don't be very submissive. Don't be very aggressive when you speak. Keep your tone very humble, approachable. Yeah. And don't be very fast. If you be very fast, you will be not able to understand. So don't be very fast like this, or neither be slow like this, the way I'm speaking. So keep the tone very neutral, where the audience or the listener get time to grasp what you're trying to speak in the particular conversation. So these were the few quick tips which I wanted to give you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Your Jose Michael.